everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make chicken cutlets. This is the easiest recipe ever. So if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the newer notification. So without wasting time, let's get started to the recipe. So here I'm taking 350 grams of boneless chicken. Here I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and salt according to taste. Mix well and keep aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, here I'm taking a pan with 1 tablespoon of oil and then I'm adding the marinated mixture here. Stir continuously until the chicken cooks well. Chicken starts to change its color. It becomes whitish like this. Yes, now the chicken has cooked well and dried up all the waters. Now I'm going to switch off my flame and cool down a bit. Now I'm going to shred it nicely using my hands. You can even use mixer for this, but I like to do it on my hands. Shred it nicely. Now heat up a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Saute fennel seeds for few seconds. I'm adding 1 inch chopped ginger, 6 to 7 pods of chopped garlic. Saute until nice aroma arises. Now I'm adding 1 chopped onion. Saute until the color changes to golden. Now I'm going to add shredded chickens. Mix well. Now I'm adding 2 boiled potatoes. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder and salt according to taste. Mix everything together. At last I'm going to add few coriander leaves. Mix well and switch off the flame. Cool down the mixture. Now take little amount of the mixture, roll it and flatten it through your palm and place it on a plate. Here I have prepared all the cutlets. Now I'm going to refrigerate this for 10 minutes. For coating we need 2 beaten eggs and a breadcrumbs. First we need to dip inside the beaten egg and then on breadcrumbs. Coat it well. Heat up a pan and add some oil and then fry it. Add a teaspoon of oil at the top. Fry it evenly by flipping on each sides. Once it has fried properly, remove from the flame. It's done now. So guys, please give it a try and share your feedbacks with me. Thank you.